Hello folks, it's day 18 of the candle opening. Oh look, blonde Alfie's back. So this is not sponsored by the postcode lorry or Galaxy. So let's see what's under day 18 of the candle. Day 18, 18. We have got oh, we're getting closer. We got Santa Claus again. Santa Claus is coming to town very soon. Anyway, that was day 18 of the chocolate. Let's see what day 18 of the postcode lorry is. 18, where are we? Here we go, tops. Life cancer free. Delivers exercise sessions and nutrient advice to patients in Leicester. Good. So they're delivering sessions with people in Leicester to try and make them a little bit better, cancer free. But at the end of the day, we just had a coronavirus and no one knew about it for a year, and then we got a vaccine. We've had cancer for ages. Why don't they get a vaccine for cancer? You know what I mean? We've had cancer for years, and then we had this virus come along. Oh, they got a vaccine. Get a vaccine for cancer quick now. Should be done ages ago. Anyway, that's a tip to the government from me. Get a vaccine for cancer instead of like waiting 30, 40, 50 years. Out of order. Anyway, that is Mike's chat with Blonde Alfie, day 18 at the postcode and Galaxy opening. And you've been watching Mike's chat on the 4K eyebrow. Cheers.